Hi guys, here is the next video for the replacing the stairs and treads and painting. So my painting on the side of the treads, the one coat is done, and I have to say it's a little bit complicated because I wanna the horizon be stained, so I have to avoid that the paint doesn't come on the wood, so which I did, and I want to show you what I did until now. And I'm going to cut the threads, which is very a serious job because I don't like it to have the both side right and the left had the gap, so I have to be sure that is fit to the space of the threads. So in the next video I wanna show you the install the threads, and yeah, I don't know about your stairs, but the another thing that I find out the way, because I have to get out the every single of the threads and the painted, and I put a slide on underneath of the horizon, and then they save your time. But it's a little bit complicated to walk above stairs. So, but I'm done, and uh, until the next video. Bye bye.